Hey guys, today I'm here to tell you how to fix cannot create account. Your account cannot be created at this time on iPhone or iPad. If you are using an iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create your own Apple ID, but you're facing an issue that you cannot create Apple ID, so let's see how can you easily do that. You just have to go back from here, and here you have to open your settings app, go for general here and go for VPN device management. You have to double check that your VPN is not connected. If you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, then go back and you have to open your settings again. And here you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connection. And after that, you have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi and sell the data. You can also try to enable or disable your plane mode up to 4 or 5 times. Then go back from here. Open this transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings. Enter your passcode. Then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after doing that, if there will be an issue with the network, it will fix in this tab. And after that, you can retry to create your Apple ID. If you're still facing the same issue, you have to open your browser, and here you have to search for Apple ID and apple.com. You have to search for this website, and here the website will be open. You just have to look for create new account option. You tap on these two lines here and you'll get the option. If you don't find it here, you just have to tap on the scrolls, then tap on this arrow option here, then tap on this create your Apple account, and you'll get on the page to creating a new Apple account. You just have to enter your name, then the country or region, your date of birth, your your mail here, your password, then confirm password, then enter your phone number, and after that tap on continue option. So after doing that, it might be that you should be facing your account will be created. If you're still facing the same issue, so you have to open your new tab here and you have to search for Apple system status. You have to search for Apple system status here, open the first website, and you have to make sure that Apple ID services are running well there. So all services are available. So you have to double check for App Store here and also check your Apple ID here. And after checking here, you have to look for iCloud account and sign in option is available here. If you find these all are available, sir, but you are still getting the issue, you have to open the settings here, go for general here, go for the reset iPhone. You can also try to wait for almost 1 hour, 2 hour, or you can also wait for 24 hours, because it might be that after verifying again and again there will be an issue with your phone number on any system, so you must have to wait for almost 24 hours. If you have any data in your iPhone, so you have to wait for 24 hours, and after doing that you have to retry. If you still get the same problem, you have to tap on this erase all content and settings, and then continue to this step. It will erase everything from your iPhone. It might be your photos, videos, your apps, your accounts, and everything you have in your iPhone. So very first you have to try to get a backup, and after that erase your iPhone, and after doing that you have to try to create a new Apple ID, and your issue will be fixed. So in this way you can easily create a new Apple ID without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.